All right, can you hear it? Cool. I don't know what it was, but the sound wasn't working. Uh, we got a lot of chickens. It's like a ton of chickens. It's great. Let's see. Oh, I think that turned off. Let me turn it on. Let's see. Oh, what the? Okay. I'll need to go like this. Boom. Oh, there we go. Oh, maybe I don't put that there. I need to go like that. But look, now it's going again. And we got more than enough chickens. So what I did off camera last time was I worked a little bit on the like terraforming. Here, we'll actually head over. Sorry, taking a drink. I'll show you. We'll head over there. I was actually waiting here. I did only like 5 minutes of AFK, which, as you can tell, didn't really give us a ton of sugar cane. But I'll take you over there and we'll see what actually happened. All right, here we go. Okay. Home. I love having a bridge. Makes it so easy. And it's so much quicker than the long journey that we used to do. All right. We made it. It's almost nighttime. We'll probably get to the top of the hill and then we'll have to head back down. Let me think. I'm gonna need to get more coal to make torches. Okay. So, can't really see it from this side, but we made a little bit of a path going up. And I'm not really sure how to decorate the path. But after I got up there, I started placing a ton of torches because mobs, they were just spawning all over the place up there. So, it's like right, yeah, you can see how it goes up. So if you head up this way, it'll go off over there. I don't know how I'm gonna do like the steps because right now you just hold space and then slowly make your way. But this is basically the way to get to the top. I gotta figure out some sort of solution though to actually get it here without all of this jumping. I don't know if I do some sort of stairs or not, but yeah, so this is it. I do want to get rid of some of this, I don't even know, tall grass. Not even just the tall grass, but this layer of dirt. So that way I can actually plan a build. I do know I want some sort of tree in the middle, and I want it to be like a giant tree. I don't actually know what build height is, so I don't know if I can take the tree too high up, but it'll be a start. And I'm thinking of doing the cherry blossom with the leaves. So I don't actually know how far the leaves go down, but it would be cool if it like had a shadow over the whole place, and then it was able to have leaves fall just all over, if that makes sense. So I might need to get netherite next, so that way I can level up my tools and my armor. What do you need for netherite? We need some sort of trim, right? What kind of trim do you need? Or a smithing template? I don't actually know. Where do you find that? And then I gotta be able to duplicate it. So I think the next goal is to go to the nether and start strip mining for, what is it called? Ancient debris. And then I think you smelt it or something. I don't know. But I think we'll start doing that next time, or like next episode. So that way we can level up all of the stuff. But this is gonna take forever to clear out. And like, we're slowly making progress, but it could definitely be a lot faster. I don't actually know if netherite makes mining and stuff faster, or if it just gives it better durability. I should probably figure that out. But for now, as you can see, well, probably just put a torch there and then fill in the hole. So like that, I'm basically doing temporary hole filling, just so that way I know what I can build with. But because of all of the cave systems and stuff that are below this, I'm gonna have to do a ton of cleanup. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to fill a lot in. But when I take out like this mountain, we should be getting a ton of dirt. I wonder if I can just get rid of all of that. Ooh, that scared me. Where did he spawn in from? I don't know. Kind of scary. Oh, maybe here? It's a little dark. There we go. I just gotta plan out, what level do you find ancient debris at? Last time I did this in the other world that I have, it took a ton of like mining to actually find ancient debris. I just did the bed technique where you just explode a bunch of beds to mine. And it worked out pretty good. It just was a lot of beds that we had to get, which means I'm also gonna have to start like a sheep farm. Which I could probably do that up here temporarily, because there's a lot of sheep that are spawning up here. Okay. What is that? A pig? Whoa. We got some zombies over there. What other things do I fill up? If this is... Okay. There we go. Oh! Rip. I don't even have a torch for this. Whatever. Oh. There we go. Okay. So, like, we're starting to get some flat area. Oh. Perfect. I actually needed that. And not a ton. But might be good enough for now. So, I'll have to fill in, like, this. Okay. All right. Oh, we're out of dirt. Okay. Let's see. Can I? Oh, I don't even have. I guess I can like plant flowers. I wonder if bees will spawn up here. If I plant an oak tree or something? I don't know. How come these trees aren't growing? Do trees not grow in this biome? How does this work? I feel like it can. I think trees can grow in every biome. Unless I don't know something. Okay, let's head down. I have just in case. Oh. There we go. Oh, I keep forgetting that I'm supposed to build the, what's it called? Like the Japanese house up here. I'll do that at some point. Oh no. Okay. I actually want to see what the path looks like at night. If I were to follow this down. So far, so good. And I haven't seen a monster or a mob spawn in. Yeah, look at that. Goes all the way to the tower. We don't even see skeletons and stuff. Oh, there they are. Now they're spawning in. Oh, they like disappeared. Okay, let's head back. We can go to bed. But this place is so different now. With all these trees and everything. Awesome. Okay. Let's get up this way. I wonder if I make an entrance or something over there because it is a ton of work to get up and around. I'm also gonna have to make a path to the portal and then over to the entrance of that mountain. But that'll be another day problem. So I might need to start that sheep farm up there. Where did I? There we go. We could take some wood. We're gonna need that. And those. That way we can have torches. And boom. Okay. Ooh. Wait, no. We can put a crafting table up there. So let's see. We'll just trap a few sheep up there so we can make a farm. And that's just going to be temporary. Because I don't want sheep up there, like long term. I wonder if I build something up there, if they'll stop spawning up there. Okay. The Fallout grape soda is like the best grape soda. Okay, so what's 30 divided by 4? Basically 8, right? Because it would be close to 32. So if I did an 8 by 8 area, let's just do it right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then go straight down. Oh, wait. What did I do wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, I don't. What did I do? I don't know. Why is my brain not working? Let's see. I'll just put a crafting table. Let's make a gate. There it is. Boom. It can be uneven. That's fine. It is what it is. Okay, and then I'm gonna need a chest. Oh. What the? Why did it go there? Okay, so we now just gotta collect sheep. Alright, come here. Yeah, come on, buddy. Where'd your friend go? I don't know. Yep, come on in. And enjoy. Let's see if I can find you a friend. There was like a ton of sheep up here. Where did they go? What the? If I feed him, will he stay? Or will he disappear? I don't know. Throw this in so I don't fall in. Whoa, there it is. Come here, buddy. Oh, look, there's two. Come on over. Oh, yeah. Yep, come on in. Oh, there we go. Boom. And baby sheep. There we go. Okay, so now we've got a sheep farm. See if I can make him grow up. There we go. Boom. Now we can get a ton of sheep. And actually, I might have to make this bigger so we can make the sheep farm bigger. Oh, look, another one. Now they're all spawning in. See if I can get him. Come on, bud. Let's go, buddy. This way. Oh, I didn't mean to fall in. And I escaped. I need to get carpet. That way I can just hop over. But there we go. Not a bad. Oh, not a bad start to where this is gonna be. I just got to figure out some sort of tree design, and then we can really start building if those trees actually grow. I don't know why they're not. I wonder, do I have... I don't have bones. I'm gonna try a bone meal. But like, there's that tree there and then the other one. Why can't it just grow? I'm gonna look it up after this and see. I don't know what biome this is. I'm gonna have to figure that out as well. Oh well, I guess we'll find out. It's just weird though that I have the smallest amount of cherry blossoms that are growing right here, but they're not growing past that. So, I don't know. Okay, but that is the end. So we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.